What is up, guys? Today we're gonna microwave some Reeses just for a little bit and just see what happens to them. I think they're gonna melt, obviously, but you know, I don't think I've ever really eaten melted Reeses before. Anyways, all right, let's go microwave them. The microwave is already on. It's nasties in there. You don't look in there. There we go. We'll wait like 5-10 seconds. So they just got finished microwaving. You can see they melted a little bit. And I had them in there for maybe like 15 seconds. So the top melted a bit, and then the bottom. So let's try one out. Got some milk here. We're gonna need that. Try it out. Pretty good. It's better than normal.